In this video, you'll learn how to add a plugin in Hosting a Website Builder. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to the platform. Let's start from inside your Hosting a Website Builder dashboard where you edit your site. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons. Among those icons, find the one that looks like a small gear. This is your website settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens a panel dedicated to managing the more behind-the-scenes aspects of your website, such as general settings, SEO, and what we care about here, integrations and plugins. Inside the website settings panel, look for the option labeled Integrations. This section is where Hostinger lets you connect your site with external tools and services, such as analytics, marketing tools, chat widgets, or other third-party features. Click on Integrations to open that page. Once the integrations page is open, you'll see a list or a search bar, depending on your view. Here is where you can find the specific plugin or integration you want to add. Instead of scrolling endlessly, use the search feature to quickly locate what you need. Click into the search field and start typing the name of the integration or plugin you're looking for. As you type, Hostinger will usually filter the available options and show you matching results. This makes it easy to see whether the tool you want is supported directly through the builder. When you see your desired integration appear in the results, click on it to open its details page or panel. Here, you'll typically find a short description of what the integration does and sometimes a brief outline of what's required to connect it, such as an account on the external service or a tracking ID. Next, look for the button or option that lets you install or connect the integration. This might be labeled Install, Connect, or something similar. Click that button to begin the setup process. In many cases, Hostinger will guide you through a few simple prompts, such as pasting in a code snippet, adding an ID, or logging into your third-party account to authorize the connection. Take your time with this part and follow any on-screen instructions carefully. If you are asked to paste a code, copy it from the external service and make sure you paste it exactly as provided without changing anything. A small typo or missing character can prevent the plugin from working correctly. After you've completed the required steps and confirmed the connection, your integration will be added to your website. At this point, it's a good idea to publish or update your site, then open it in a new browser tab and test the plugin. For example, if you added an analytics tool, visit a few pages on your site, then check the analytics dashboard to confirm that data is being recorded. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to website settings, open integrations again, and review the setup. Often, simply rechecking your pasted codes or reconnecting your account fixes most issues, and that's all there is to it. By opening website settings, going into integrations, searching for your desired plugin, and installing it, you can quickly extend the functionality of your hosting a website without touching complex code.